Hello guys, how to be here. Welcome back to another video, and today I will show you the solution to the problem. Like if you have SIM and SIM actually auto detecting the balance, like your balance has gone in time to time. Like this actually happens when you have some malware in your device. Like there are some viruses which actually send auto message, and that's why the operators actually deduct your account value. So this problem occurs when several causes, like if you have infected memory, it could be RAM or ROM, not the RAM, I mean it could be the ROM or your memory card you used. And on the other hand, if you just go to an inappropriate site, and from there you actually got some virus while you just give them the access, like installing it or just doing it like not in the proper way. So this will basically just give the access to the virus, and then you will have to face this issue, like your balance will auto deduct. And to solve this issue, you might there are several solutions. Like you must have to detect which application is causing this problem. So you'll have to just remove that application or disable the application. And on the other hand, you can just totally format your device, like from hard reset. So it could be solve the issue. And the other thing, like if you just remove your SIM, then there will be no messages, or they can't be able to send anything. So these are the possible solutions, and I think this will work for you. And yeah, that's all from today, guys. If you're new, make sure you stay with the channel for more interesting videos. And as we post daily, hope you all will love it. See you all soon. Till then, have fun.